One of the indigenous churches in Zimbabwe, the Johane Masowe, are known for practicing polygamous marriages and not allowing their children to go to school or to attend hospitals for treatment, and also practicing child marriages. They are now saying those are some of the things that deter people from joining their church, and they speak to our news crew.
So that our founders in eChishanu and everybody who is in eChishanu, we need to come together and put our heads together and iron out and remove practices that are tarnishing Masowe as a church. You have heard from the preachers issues to do with polygamy, promiscuity, abuse of girl child, oppressing women.
All right.
Not giving them a chance in whatever we do. But we are saying, yes, Masowe, God has said to us, that is not the practice. We need to come together and remove bad practices, so that all the people who are shunning Masowe because of those bad practices can find home in us. They can also come and worship. So this is what we are saying now. Enough is enough. We need to come together as Masowe and remove all those bad practices and put good practices that recognize the role played by women, the role played by a church of God, which is similar to any other church. We are not different from any other church because we are Christians. So we got to abide by Christian values where everyone is welcome in God's house.
We have seen a little bit diversion from the Masowe that we know, where the congregates will go and gather under a tree. Here it seems it has become modern. Can you explain a bit why you are a little bit different from the other churches?
I would say there isn't any difference, because it was a misconception that came along that people need to remain under the trees. But there were reasons why people were praying, not worshiping Him. But we are saying, God is saying, build a church like anyone else. Why would you go and worship where there is no shelter, where you get soaked in rains, where you are burned by the sun, where you have kids that are suffering under the sun? So what we say is, there is a difference from Christians like any other church. Go and worship under the building. This is one of our core messages, that people should move away from trees, go and build churches, because that is God's wish.
We gon' local, y'all wanna party in my bed, me a dab on the dance floor, and day God said, let's stand pray over every day. You know what it means, yeah, a life battle, a ghost battle, the earth battles, the beauty in the children, I'm mixing you, with my soul, they are the same names today. Come and see what's gonna happen, you got it, let's go face the demons, got it saying, I'm praying, preaching the teaching. Y'all wanna party in my bed, me a dab on the dance floor, and day God said, let's stand pray over every day. You know what it means, yeah, a life battle, a ghost battle, the earth battles, the beauty in the
Yes, this is a positive development, but what remains to be seen is that are all the elders of the Johane Masowe in agreement with this positive development? Leave your comments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, ZimdiTv News, and be the first to receive breaking news and stories making headlines. And also subscribe to our website, ZimdiTvNews.com, and never miss a story.